Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where you'd gone. It fell softly from the clouds on those silent crowds as I trudged along out of doorways. Black umbrellas, they came to pursue me. Faceless strangers, as they passed, were looking through me. Nobody knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes and I glanced up toward the skies, and I drank in that wonderful, refreshing rain. But your image, it still was there, floating in the air, brighter than a flame. Yesterday I saw the city filled with shadows without pity. And then I heard that steady rain whispering your name. A day in the life of a fool, a sad, long, lonely day. I walk the avenue in hope I'll run into a welcome sight of you coming my way. I stop for a while at your door, but you're never home anymore. So back to my room, there in the gloom, I cry these tears of goodbye, till you come back to me. That's the way it's gonna be every day in the life of this fool. Two fine saloon songs. Your stranger loves it.